Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
So the last video we had was about how to edit our videos using CapCut easily and fastly. So check that out if you haven't watched that yet. And for today's video, we are going to check in our Google Chrome if we have a copyright claim, because as you can see, when we are going to edit our videos, we will insert audio or add audio and music, just like what we did in our intro and outro, that we incorporated music there, or we add music. So there are times that there are some music that is copyrighted and we do not know until we upload that in our YouTube channel. Actually, that copyright claim has nothing to do if you are not yet monetized. But when you are monetized, you should have to remove your copyright claim. So since we are aiming to get monetized soon, so we will remove it as early as now. So what we'll be doing is we will go to our Chrome beta. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to type www.youtube.com, then click go, and then click these three dots on top, and then desktop site, and then after the desktop site, we will click our profile pics on top right, topmost right, and then click YouTube Studio, and then click Chrome Beta. This is our YouTube Studio. So we will check now if we have a copyright claim. So let us go to our video. So let's click here, three lines on top, and then click content. And then so here are our videos that we had uploaded already in our YouTube channel. So I had already, as of speaking, I had already uploaded 20 videos in my YouTube channel. So let's go and check. So I have it here, copyright claim 1. Out of 20 videos, I have copyright claim, which is how to put music to your intro and outro. So what we are going to do with this, so let's zoom this in and then click the copyright claim. So this is what you are going to see after clicking the copyright claim. Your video is ineligible for monetization, meaning to say, when you are able to get the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you are not eligible to monetize this certain video, this with copyright claim, meaning to say no ads will be served in this videos. So review details and dispute the claim. If you believe this is an error, revenue is held separately until a dispute is resolved. So actually this has nothing to do if you are not yet monetized, but as I have said a while ago, as I had said, you need to, as early as now, you need to get to remove the copyright claim. So what you will be needing is to click the see details to check what part of that video you have copyright claim. So here in the content found, it's in the 6 minutes and 5 seconds to 6 minutes and 16 seconds, and you can play. So that square part, if you can see this one, this is the copyright claim. So what you will be needing is to click this select action. So either you can trim out the segment, you can replace the song, or you can mute the song. So the easiest way is to mute the song. I would not suggest to trim out segment because your viewers will not be able to understand if some of that part or clips will be removed or will be trimmed. So again, let's click this mute song. So let's just mute that part, and then after clicking the mute part, click do not click mute all sound when song plays, but click the mute song only. Beta, remove the claim song only, keeping the rest of the sound. This open usually takes longer and might not work if the song is hard to remove, but we will try. So only that part that is being has copyright claim will be removed. So let's click continue. Let us just hope that we can easily remove this mute song only. This process might take a while. If we're able to mute the copyrighted song, we will update any viewing or monetization restrictions on your video. This video will remain in its current state until this process is complete. So just click mute, and then mute song is in progress. So what you will be needing now is the process may take a while. You may close this window and check back later. So if we're able to mute the copyrighted song, we'll update you. So let us just wait. It's still processing, so let's turn this off. And I'll update you later if, so this is what you're going to see, checking one found, and it's still processing. So it's still in the process of being removing the music that is being copyrighted. So I will check back later if it was already removed. So let's go back and check now whether the copyright claim has already been removed and it was already finished processing. So let's go back and click this one, and then check our second video, how to put music to your intro for a while. Okay, yay! So the restriction is already been removed. Thank you. So that's how you're going to remove the copyright claim in your videos. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell all so that you will be updated in my next upload. So see you in my next upload. Bye.